I've conquered the scooter. This feels like a whole nother ballpark though. It's my trophy! Well, I guess I just throw a backflip now.
Full send, brother. Clap. Backflip a bike.
Backflipping a bike. I've conquered the scooter. This feels like a whole nother ballpark though. But they say it's the same. I'm just trying to prove to myself really that I can do anything at this point.
Easier than a scooter.
So yeah, he said, they all say it's easier than a scooter, but this weighs so much more. That's what scares me.
So you're backflipping this.
So I'm gonna backflip this, or attempt to. This is so fun. All right, so give me the rundown.
You're gonna come in about like you just did like the threes, right?
Yeah.
Go a little bit faster. As you come off the lip, you kind of feel it. Like when you did the scooter, you know where the lip is, right?
Yeah.
What you're gonna wanna do, stay on the bike, keep your feet on, just kind of sit back into it a little harder. It'll come around. The reason why it's easier is because with a bike, you're like, scooter, you're throwing yourself in a flip and bringing the scooter with you. On a bike,
it just goes
you
with
kind of throw the bike a little bit and you go with the bike.
Use the ramp to your advantage.
All right.
The ramp's already a quarter of a flip, so you just got to do the rest of the flip.
Yeah, it's not even a full
It's
back
not
flip.
even a full flip if you think about it, because if you do it over the jump, you're coming in like this versus like flipping all the way around back to here.
All right, well, let me throw a couple 360s on this here air pad, and then we'll try some backflips. For those of you guys that don't know, I used to bike a little bit, so.
That was very impressive.
Let's huck a 3 though.
Full send, brother.
That's that.
So you think he's got it? No problem?
I think you got it.
How many tries?
3 tries.
3 tries.
I think
Maybe.
you're gonna just bounce on the first one, put your foot down. Same thing with the second one, and the third one, you're gonna stick it.
Yeah. Should I try a 3 on the Resi?
No.
I'm scared.
It's super slippery for like 3s and stuff.
Yeah? Okay. I'm gonna throw one more 3 on the air, or on the air mattress, just so I can.
And then I think you should show your skills just around.
Oh, in here?
Yeah.
All right. It's been a while, but I can still throw a 3, so that feels pretty cool. Whoa!
Did your head just get crushed?
It's my trophy!
No matter how you land in that, you get bodied.
Oh yeah.
I'm so glad bikes are like light nowadays. Well, I guess I just throw a backflip now at this point.
If you guys want to do stuff too.
Yeah, throw a flip so I can watch it. Backflip. Just makes it look so simple.
If you don't get air like that, I don't think it counts.
I think I'm kind of boosting near there, maybe a little bit. I don't know.
Maybe you should boost the 360 off the top.
Off the top of what?
The very top one.
Oh God. Oh. All right, I'll try one. Woo! Woo! Ah! I think I'm just gonna throw one.
All right.
It's just, I'm nervous. Not gonna lie, I'm nervous. Ah! Just float it.
Just go with the lip. Like the lip does all the work. Like you can try as hard as you can to sit in the seat.
All right.
Full send, brother.
Get it.
Oh my God!
That is good. Hey, that was better than your first attempt on a scooter.
Oh my gosh! That is the scariest thing ever.
You gotta remember a line down the middle of your body that you wanna stay on, otherwise you start like
That's what I keep doing. I did it with the scooter too, is I would go and I'd like turn to the right.
Just picture a line. Pull straight. Keep your body straight, pull straight.
Okay.
Don't pull harder on one side than the other. Just think about it, and more than not, it'll happen.
Okay. Oh my God, I'm shaking.
Good stuff, Nigel.
Woo!
He is just MVP of this trip.
Ah! All right. Is that close? Was it?
Yeah.
I was thinking about that line. That helps out so much. Oh my gosh. I'm doing a backflip on a bike.
You gotta do it on the Resi, right?
Yeah, I have to do 2 on here.
Oh yeah, 2 to make it true.
Ah, the worst. The worst.
Try and get a little bit more spin, because when you do go to Resi, it comes up a lot faster.
Okay, so probably maybe go a little bit faster. Sit.
Not faster or sooner.
Sit. That's the secret is the sit down. I'm feeling good though. Like the scooter backflip really helped out. This still scares me because it's beefy. Bikes are beefy. I feel like I could toss a scooter. This thing I gotta be like, all right, let me think about this. Woo! You can't tell, but my legs are shaking so bad right now. My legs are shaking. All right, Corey! Corey!
Corey!
This is for you, Corey! Oh my God! I found out who you were, and we're just casually having a conversation up there, not knowing I'm standing next to a legend.
Sick.
I'm trying to get it.
I think you're gonna get it.
I'm gonna try.
Okay.
Oh, it's scary. It's scary. She's the first woman to do a
First
backflip.
woman to ever do a backflip on a BMX bike.
Yeah.
Legend.
I still
You
gotta.
want a little more spin, but other than that, their form is perfect. And
It's the sit, because I already know what I need to do is just like pull in this way, and for some reason, once I'm going, I freeze, and I'm just like, oh, just hold it.
when you get kind of stuck upside down in a backflip, you can pull your arms to your chest, and it'll speed it
rotate
up.
more.
Just like spinning, you know, you pull your arms in, you go faster.
Okay.
You can control the flip. Eye the ground, see where you need to go.
Okay.
This one's a lot scarier than the scooter.
I'm just worried about the bike landing on you, you know? I think it's possible.
Never in my life did I ever think I was gonna backflip a bicycle.
This is Woodward,
And
man.
here we are at Woodward doing the craziness.
Oh, that was good!
Oh,
That was
pull.
good!
yeah.
Brings you right around.
Oh, okay.
You got it.
That was good.
Wow. All right, now I just gotta stick it on here a few times, or once, and then we're going straight to Resi.
Hey, you have like really good air awareness though.
Okay, yeah.
You know where you're at, and you know what you
It's
need to do.
because I used
make
to
it
like
happen.
tumble.
Yeah. So, okay, me too. I did gymnastics till I was like 7.
Yeah, so it's like
you know where your body's
I know
at,
where I'm at.
and you know
Yeah.
what you need to do. That's good. That'll keep you safe.
Look at
Oh,
that.
did I
So
just miss that?
easy.
Dang it.
So easy. All right, Gabe, we got this.
All these like multi-sport athlete, athletic videos really has me thinking how amazingly I'd rip this place with the Coup wheels.
You gonna do double? Oh my gosh!
Nigel, you have a chance to do it first try on the Resi. This is historical right here.
Same exact lip, same exact landing. Do what you do.
All right, straight to Resi. Am I gonna end up on the other side or probably on top? First try.
All right, you're good. First try.
Dang it!
You're a little bit faster spin, and you got it.
Okay.
Remember the line.
All right. Woo! My God. Yeah, I didn't pull straight back at all. Oh my God. Oh my God. That was the scariest, greatest thing ever. Second try. Oh, I gotta do another one.
2 to make it true.
Oh man. Oh my
That was
God.
unbelievable.
I gotta do another one.
You want to do a backflip train?
Yeah, I got your back.
All right, let's do it.
Is that what you were expecting?
Dude, yeah, he's got it. He knows where he's at in the air. He knows what to do. He's familiar with ramps. There's no doubt. He's got it.
2 to make it true. Yo, I don't know how y'all do it on dirt jumps because I'm like terrified right now. Like shaking.
2 to make it true.
All right, I got your back.
Hey, pull a little harder.
That's light work. What emotions are running through your body?
I'm terrified. Dude, that's scary. That's way scary. It's like, it weighs a lot. It's just scary. Oh my God, thank you guys so much.
Bike for a second? Hey, dude, you got it. Go.
I did a backflip on a bike. I could die happy right now.
Next week when Nigel does the double flip.
Oh man, that'll be the day. Double flip on a bike. I could double flip on on trampoline. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I did, and I'm scared. Thank you guys so much. You want to shout out your handles on Instagram and whatnot?
Yeah, Richard Bledsoe BMX.
At jack.attack.bmx.
BMXing is hard and dope. Like, check them out. I want to do a collab with BMX soon, like a whole video, Braille, and BMX.
Yeah.
That would be dope. So I really didn't know how that was gonna happen. Didn't know what was gonna happen. I thought the whole time, literally up there thinking about it all night, that I was gonna flip, and the thing that was in my head was the bars are gonna smack my teeth and I'm not gonna have teeth anymore. But that didn't happen, because I did it. So super huge shout out to Woodward for letting us come out here and film. Thank you guys again for teaching me the backflip. I did a backflip on a bike. There's some videos to my left, check them out. Click them, share them, like, comment, subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video. What's up, man?
Nigel did a backflip.
I did a backflip.
You did a backflip.
Yes.